you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy, just can't get enough guy, just always so puff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't